Hi, my friends. I am Ashk Husain. So let's start today's class. If I were a tree. Today, my friend asked me a question. What would you do if you were a tree? Trees are one of my favorites. They are one of the most essential and useful things in this world. I always loved the thick, lush coconut trees around my house. If I were a tree, I would have provided shades and nest to all those who lives around me. Birds would have found a sweet home inside me. I will inhale lots of carbon dioxide and exhale fresh oxygen for all living things around me. My legs will penetrate deep into the soil and will suck water through my roots to quench my thirst. I will produce beautiful flowers and fruits, and children will come and play with me. I can imagine children plucking and eating fruits and playing using swings. I will make our surrounding cooler and help to produce rain. So friends, please like this video and share this video with your friends. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.